Stop. Is this how you make your slides? What if I told you your next presentation could go from this to this in just 2 minutes? No design skills, no hours wasted, just AI doing the heavy lift. First, you have to open your Google browser. There, you have to type Gamma.AI. Click on the first link that appears and then go to the Start for Free button and click on it. Then you will first need to sign up to use this application. So sign up and get started. As soon as the website opens, you need to go to the Create New button and click on it. After that, out of the three options, you have to choose the one that says Text Paste in Text. Click on that option. Now paste the content that you want to turn into slides or a PDF or whatever format you prefer. Then scroll down. It will ask you what would you like to create content for. Since I want to create a presentation, I will keep the presentation option selected, which is selected by default. Then click on continue. After this, a new tab will open where you will see the option text content. Under this, you will find three options. The first one is generate. This means that AI will expand your text. If you only gives outline, it will automatically generate detailed content based on those outlines. Then the second one is condense. If your text is very long, includes both useful and unnecessary parts, this option will shorten it to make it more clear and concise. The third one is preserve. This means that AI will keep your original content as it is, but it will apply the presentation layout to it. I will choose preserve because I don't want my text to be shortened. I want it to stay as it is. In the output languages, you can choose different languages. After that, leave the other setting as they are, no need to change anything. Click on the continue button. Then here, different layouts will appear. You can choose any layout of your own choice. I am gonna choose this. Then click on the generate button. After this, it will automatically start generating your slides and will add graphics, charts, tables, pictures, and various other elements on its own. In just a few seconds, it will generate your entire set of slides for you. If you want to customize this further, click on these three dots and you will see different options available. You will also find different options to change the color, allowing you to customize it even more. After just a few minutes, the option to download will appear. Click on the download link and the download will get started. I have downloaded my slides in PPT format and now I am going to open them. Look how surprising, amazing and beautiful these slides are just by using one AI tool. And just like that, your AI powered presentation is ready to go. You don't need any design skills and still made something that looks absolutely stunning. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more free tools like this, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I reply to everyone. See you in the next one.